As 2019 came to an end, visual observations using V-band and near-infrared photometry of the semi-regular variable star known as Betelgeuse in the constellation of Orion showed a historic trend in its luminosity. Betelgeuse began dimming. Observations showed that Betelgeuse had started dimming in October, and as a result, Betelgeuse was put forward for frequent monitoring in 2020. The observation showed that Betelgeuse had dipped by 1.5 magnitudes. This has left some to speculate that the star is about to go supernova. But why Betelgeuse? After all, the star is relatively young on the cosmological scale. The current estimate puts it at 8.5 million years old. Meaning that, for the dinosaurs, Betelgeuse wasn't even a star in the sky. Betelgeuse, meaning the armpit of Orion, is a red supergiant, and a property of a red supergiant is their high luminosity to low surface gravity ratio. Stars like Betelgeuse lose mass at rate millions of times faster than our own Sun. This mass loss can contribute to the formation of nebula that surrounds a star, like the one seen here surrounding Betelgeuse. This was captured in 2011. The majority of red supergiants have something called luminous stellar variability, which we use to categorize these types of stars. As mentioned previously, Betelgeuse is a semi-regular star, meaning that it has considerable changes in its luminosity, accompanied with interruptions such as relatively longer periods of dimming. As such, substantial amount of astronomers suspect that Betelgeuse is actually in one of these interruptions, and while its demise will be soon, it's considered unlikely it'll happen within the next 100 years. Some suggest it could even be millions before Betelgeuse explodes. However, Professor Edward Giddings at the University of Villanova, who has been observing the star since the 1980s, has published several papers concerning Betelgeuse, said this: "If it keeps getting fainter, then all bets are off." He suggests that if this is in fact an interruption, then we should see its luminosity begin to rise in 2020. That said, if it doesn't, then our models are no longer reliable, and the star could go supernova. But what happens when a star in such close proximity to Earth goes supernova? One thing is for certain, it'll be visible in the skies for weeks, maybe even months. And while it doesn't pose a threat for life on Earth, potentially life in a region of 25 light years surrounding the star could see mass extinction, as radiation would make the area inhospitable. Will Betelgeuse go supernova anytime soon? Right now, we are uncertain, and only time will tell. We'll be sure to link any resources below for further reading. We are always open for feedback and questions, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.